Okay. So this is where we left off. We're going to finish up our daily sales for the day, for the 24th. As you notice, it is Monday, the 24th, and there's no more grand opening sale. So therefore, everything is going to be regular priced for this. So let's take a look here. So this is what our daily sales for the coffee was for June 24th. So in this case, how do I journalize this?
It'll just be checking sales, medium, large,
Right? It's
but
going
just
to,
without the discount.
exactly. So everything is full price. So that means we're charging full price for everything. So all of these calculations are going to be full price. Okay. So I'm going to copy this from the previous one here. And I'm going to go ahead and skip a line and drop it down here. Okay, because all we have left here is going to be checking. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put my equal sum formula here so that I can be able to calculate my totals a lot quicker. Okay. So how many medium regular cups did I sell, or how much did I sell in grand total?
499.49.
Okay. Large regular.
544.18,
Medium supreme.
627.48,
And then large supreme.
694.51, 69.90.
And last but not least, tax.
293 cents.
So in grand total, we should be receiving 2,636 and 49 cents. Okay, excellent. All right, so what do I do next?
We go to the general ledger.
General ledger. Okay. Checking. For in-store sales. General Journal 14. Okay. And this time is for 2636.49. Bringing us finally out of the negatives with a positive $892.98. Okay. Then we dealt with sales. Okay, so sales for the medium regular coffee. How many cups did we sell?
251.
251 cups. For a total of 49.49. Okay. What's my grand total?
$2,286.51.
Good. Then we have for our large regular coffee. How many cups did we sell?
182, I believe.
Okay, 182. For a total of 54418. Grand total is
28.94.32.
28.94.32. Good. Okay. How many medium supreme cups did we sell?
$252.
252 cups. For a total of 627.48. Okay, grand total
29.10.81.
29.10.81. Good. Then our large supreme coffee. How many cups did we sell?
199.
Total of 694.51. Bringing our grand total to be
32.80.60.
good. And we have our ceramic coffee mugs. How many mugs did we sell? We sold 10 mugs. Okay, journal, oops. For a total of $69.90. Bringing our grand total to be
$895.47.
excellent. Okay. Last but not least, we need to enter in our sales tax. So liabilities, sales tax right here. Okay. In-store sales again for general journal 14 for 293 cents. Bringing our grand total to be
$821.19.
Excellent. Good. Okay. Since these are in-store sales, we need to change this because there's no grand opening. We just only have in-store sales. Okay. No 20% discount. It's just in-store sales. Okay. So, again, no need for subsidiary ledger because it's just the general population. So, let's go ahead and see what's next. Okay. We need to do the cost of goods sold. So, first things first is we should deposit the money, right? Now, in this case, we also forgot to put in the 460.18 from earlier, the check 884, and then we just received 26.36 and 49 cents. Okay? So since it's the end of the day, our assumption is we're going to deposit all the money here. So we're going to deposit the cash that we received from the sales, our check that we received from Super A Market, plus our payment that we received from, I don't know who the 99.54 was, probably the corner bookstore. Okay. To deposit a total of $3,196.21. Okay. So it says here, we used a total of 39.5 pounds of the regular coffee and 41.5 pounds of the Supreme coffee. So let's go ahead and adjust our inventory accordingly. Okay. So regular coffee, we used 39.5 pounds. Okay, at $1.63268. Oops, which gave us a grand total of $64.49. Okay. Okay, so let's adjust our inventory accordingly. Okay, we used 39.5 pounds, so how much should we have left?
$123.
123 even. Okay. At a grand total.
282.
Good, 282. Okay. Now we're going to go to our Supreme coffee. We used 41.5 pounds at how much?
184.
184, which gives us a total cost of
76.36.
76.36. Okay, so 41.5 pounds. So now we got to do a calculation here, right? 62 minus 41.5 pounds gives us a total of 20.5 pounds, which leaves us 37.72, which should bring our total to be 270.22. Okay. So now we have our numbers 76.36 for Supreme and 64.49 for regular. And plug those numbers into our journal. $76.36. Okay. Excuse me. In store use. Okay. Now we got to update our ledger. Cost of goods sold. Excuse me. For regular coffee. We used 39.5 pounds of regular, which gave us 64.49, bringing our grand total to be
608.93.
608.93. Good. Then for our Supreme, we used 41.5 pounds. For 76.36.
645.78.
Good. Last but not least, we have to update our inventory accordingly. So, excuse me. Okay, so regular coffee, 24. We used 39.5 pounds. Right, 282, which is correct. $270.22, which is correct.
Could you go back really quick to the first one, to the regular copy? See where I went wrong. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So that is it for the in-store sales. We deposited the money in the bank. So then let's see what happened here. Excuse me. It is now the 25th of June, and we decided to pay Haley Bros invoice number 351 for, excuse me, the coffee brewer and grinder. Coffee brewer and grinder on the 25th of June. I don't think there's enough space, so go ahead and skip to the next one. So draw a line here. Okay. So we'll be starting on General Journal page 15 for this transaction. Okay, so it's the 25th. Now in this case, I have to pay Haley Bros. How much do I need to pay them? What is the deal? What am I looking at? How do I pay?
You would go and check in the subsidiary ledger.
Correct. Subsidiary ledger. Okay, so here we are, subsidiary ledger under vendors, and we are looking at Hallie Bros. So here's higher temps. Oh, they're up here, I think. Hallie Bros. Okay. So it says here that I owe Hallie Bros $2,634.15.
So you would pay all of that?
What else do I need to look at? Just to confirm, right? Did Hallie Bros give me a discount due date or anything like that? Did they give me terms?
Yes.
Did we meet the terms or did we miss the terms?
We met the terms.
We met the discount due date. So in this case, right, that means I do not need to pay the full $26.34.15. I get to receive a 1% discount. Okay, so let's take a look at the form real quick. So here it is, the form's right here. Here is what I received from Hallie Bros. Now, I get to receive a 1% discount, right? Now, where am I taking this 1% discount off of? Am I taking it off of the entire account balance, or can I not? Or what can I discount?
The total amount?
Of what? What's the number am I taking 1% discount off of?
380602.
380602. Now, am I able to discount tax?
Oh. No.
No, you can't take a discount off tax.
So the 3515.95.
3515.95. Now, in this case, right? That's the total of the discount I can take off of. But in this case, right? I have 2 items.
So you have to do 1% on each item.
Correct, right? I can't take 3515 and take 1% of that and divide it by 2. No, that's not right. That's not how that works, right? Because my coffee brewer was way more expensive than my coffee grinder. So in this case, I have to prorate each one. Now in this case, I could take 1% off of $22.66 and I can take 1% off of $12.49.95. So if you want to, you can do it on the side of your journal, ledger, whichever one that makes it much more easier for you to do. I'm going to go ahead and do it in my journal. Okay. So I'm going to go on the side of my journal and say, well, if my coffee grinder, okay, was 2266 and my coffee brewer was, coffee brewer and my coffee grinder was $12.49.95, okay? And I could take 1% discount off of that. So I get $22.66 for my coffee brewer, and I can take a $12.40, or I guess $12.50 because it's $49.9. So that should be $12.50. So my grand total here of my discount is going to be $35.16. Okay. Now, in this case, right, if I'm taking a discount off my items, right, how do I journalize that to reflect that those are going to be correct? How do I reflect that this discount is there? What accounts can I use to reflect that I got a discount?
Purchase allowance and discount?
Okay, now is this item an inventory item?
Yes.
My coffee brewer and coffee grinder are inventory items.
No.
No, I don't sell. I
These
don't sell. I'm not in the business of selling coffee brewers and coffee grinders. What are these?
Assets?
They're fixed assets, right? So in this case, when I purchase fixed assets, what's the first thing I did? I just recognized them, right?
Yes.
So in this case, if I took a discount off of them, which account am I going to be taking it out from?
The purchase discount?
Not the purchase discount. That it's not an inventory item. When I bought my coffee brewer and coffee grinder, the first thing I did was I recognized them as a fixed asset. So if I'm buying these assets, fixed assets, at a discounted price, which account am I going to be adjusting?
Accounts receivable?
Not accounts receivable. This isn't someone who this isn't dealing with a customer.
Would you use accumulated depreciation?
In this case, no, because we're not depreciating for using the machine yet. Okay. So in this case, right, when I recognize, let's take a look at my ledger account. Okay. So if I go to my coffee brewer account, okay, I purchased 2 coffee brewers, right? The first one was at $1,900. The second one was for the $2,266. Now, is that true that I bought it for $2,266?
No.
No, I bought it at a discounted price, right? So, which account am I going to be using to reflect this discount? Because right now, under my coffee brewer account, I recognize it at full price. So in this case, I need to take away from the coffee brewer because I didn't pay $2,266 for the coffee brewer. I paid it $22 less. Okay? So in this case, that means I need to adjust my account because I didn't pay for my coffee brewer for $2,266, right? It's less. So that's why I have to put the discount and I have to take it out from the actual asset itself because I recognize the asset when I purchased it at full price. Okay, so then now I need to adjust it so then I know that I didn't pay it at full price. I paid it at a discounted price. So I would have to adjust it from this account accordingly. Okay? So let's go ahead and go to our journal once again. So if I know that I paid for my coffee brewer for $22.66 less, and then my coffee grinder for $12.50 less, okay? What other accounts do I need to recognize?
Wouldn't you recognize your checking?
Yes, you would, right? Because we're paying them off, right?
Yeah.
So, checking at the top or checking at the bottom?
At the top?
Am I getting paid or am I paying?
No, I'm paying.
We're paying. So therefore, it's going to be a credit to my account, right? Because I'm spending money. Okay? Check out these accounts real quick. Coffee brewer is 15.10.
And coffee grinder is 15,020.
Right, and then checking is 1. Okay. Now I have all that. Now what's the last thing am I gonna recognize? Because in this case, right, I'm paying something. I'm paying off a bill, right?
Is it? I don't know.
Accounts payable.
Accounts payable, because I'm paying off what I owe. Because in this case, I received the bill, but I didn't pay it yet. I decided to wait till later to pay. And I decided to wait till June 25th to pay, right? So in this case, I owe Haley Brothers money. And now today I am paying it off. Okay, so that's account number 20,000. Right? Now, how much do I owe Haley Bros right now for the coffee brewer and coffee grinder? How much do I owe in grand total?
2634.15.
2634.15. Okay. $26.34. 26.34 and 15 or 16? 15. Okay, 24.34, 26.34.15. Okay. 26.34.15. My coffee brewer gave me $22.66 worth of discount, right? And I got a $12.50 for my coffee grinder. So how much in grand total should I be writing my check out for if I am paying and I received a discount?
$598.99.
$25.98.99 is what I'm going to be paying. Okay? $25.98.99. And of course, how am I paying?
With a check.
Yes, you're not going to be mailing out $2,598.99 in the mail. You are going to be using a check. So here we are. It is the 25th. And we're writing a check for $25.98.99 to Hallie Rose. Okay, check number 1525. So in this case, Hallie Bros. Invoice number 351. Okay. Check number 1525. 1% discount. Okay. All right. So, what do you want to do next?
Since we're already there, do we update the Haley Brothers?
Sure, we could go ahead and do that, right? So here we are. It is 6:25, right? I'm going to say I paid with check number 1525, received 1% discount. Okay. For invoice number 351, General Journal 15. Okay. The total amount of invoice, right? We don't need to recognize it because we already recognized it from the beginning, right? We already entered in the bill. So all we have to do is recognize how much we paid. Excuse me. So in this case, how much was my discount? It was for $22.66 plus $12.50, giving me $35.16. And I know that $26.34.15 minus $35.16 should give me $2,598.99, which gives me, right, a total of the $2,634.15, bringing my account balance that I owe to Haley Brothers down to 0. Okay. All right. What else is next?
The general ledger.
The general ledger. Okay, so general ledger. Okay. So first thing that we had there in our journal was that we recognized our accounts payable. So liabilities. We paid how much? 2598. Oh wait, no. I paid by the full. I owed 2634.15. Okay. Which should bring my account balance down to $2,242.71. Okay. I need to adjust my account. So first thing I have here is my coffee brewer. So I'm going to go ahead and say here, it's the 25th. I have coffee brewer number 2, 1% discount. Okay. General Journal 15. Okay. And this was a credit of $22.66. So therefore, I should have now $2,505. What the heck? $4,505.29. And what I would do here on the side is that if my coffee brewer number 2 was in fact $2,627.95, I need to subtract out this $22.66 to give me my new total cost for my coffee brewer number 2. In this case, my coffee brewer number 2 was 2605.29 opposed to 2627.95. Okay. All right. We need to also adjust my coffee grinder because I also received a discount on this one. So coffee grinder 1% discount. General Journal 15 for a credit of $12.50, which brings your total coffee brewer to be, whoops, didn't do the formula. $41, $45, $57. And last but not least, I also have to update my checking account because I paid with check number 1525. Okay. Check number 1525. And I paid $25.95 or $25.98.99, which brought my account balance to a negative again for 1706.01. Okay, so not doing so good. Okay, we keep writing NSF checks. Okay. All right. We already updated our subsidiary ledger. So that is it. We're going to stop here and call it a day. Okay. All right. Any questions so far?
No.